Are you still doing the same workouts and have not been seeing too many results lately? It's time to change it up. Have you been using any other pieces of equipment to try to increase the intensity, to increase the burn? Give yourself that little extra oomph to every workout. If you didn't catch my last video about beginner exercise equipment that you can get on Amazon, you can check them all out here. And I'm saying that because one of the pieces of equipment that I recommended getting was a loop band. You can use this for many types of exercises that you're probably currently already doing. Today, I'm going to show you 3 different exercises you can use with the loop band. Upper body and lower body. Hey, I'm Coach Joe from StayFitAnywhere. And today the 3 exercises I'm going to be using the loop band for are a squat, a clamshell, and a plank movement. So you'll see how I put those together, and try these out because I guarantee you it's going to add extra intensity into your squats, your clamshells, and your planks. And changing up your workout, doing a little bit of muscle confusion, that's always a great benefit to any type of workout. So here we go. So squat with the loop band. All you're going to do, have it right above the knees and right around your outer thigh. Recommend doing 12 to 15 of these, a couple of sets. Today I'm just going to do your 12 reps, but you can continue on doing extra. What you want to do is make sure there's no slack, right? So when you're hitting this, it's not very close, so it's about to fall down. You want to make sure you're making yourself work, right? That's the whole purpose of changing up your routine, adding a bit more intensity to it, because you want your muscles to work. You want to get those results. This is the way you're going to do it. Make sure you've got your band into this position. From here, you're just going to do your normal squat, but you have bands to hold you in place and keep your alignment, plus keep intensity within your quads and your adducts. So here we go. Down, up. Make sure you're exhaling on the way up. And the whole purpose of this, keep your knees aligned with your feet and your hips, and every single time you're going down and up on your squat, you're making sure the band is not pulling you in, so you're going to force and work a little bit extra harder to go out on your squat. Good. So that's how you use a simple loop band with your squat. This next one is called the clamshell. We're going to have to get down to the floor to do this. So get your band off and let's head to the floor. So as we come down to the floor, you want to lay down on one side of your body. Loop the band over your legs again, preferably above your knees. You don't want it right on your joints. From here, you can stack your feet together and you're going to open up your legs like a clamshell. So you can either lay down or have you propped up by an elbow. But what you want to do, same thing. You want to start off with intensity. You don't want to be collapsing so there's slack in your band. Start off with a little bit of tension on the band, and from there, just open and down. As you come back, you also don't want to go all the way back down for to create slack. You just want to make sure you're keeping the slack to a minimum and always keeping tension on the band, so it really forces you to keep contracting all the way through your muscles. So you can feel your outer thigh, your outer glute working its way through, keeping your core nice and tight. And we'll be doing this 12 to 15 on either side. I guarantee you'll feel that burn. Do a couple of sets of these. You can always increase the intensity of the band. I think I recommended a set of 5 that you can get off Amazon. Different resistance strength. Great to change them up whenever you need to to increase the intensity, and to continue to challenge your body. So that's the clamshell exercise with a loop band. So this plank exercise, using the loop band, you're working on your upper body, mainly your shoulders, triceps, pecs. Be doing a shuffle of the hands while you're holding this plank. So that's going to increase the intensity of not only your shoulders, but the plank all the way through. So make sure you find a band resistance that works for you. Put my hat on backwards here. Here we go. Band looped around the wrists. Make sure no slack. There's always tension in the band. So from here, get in your plank position, hold, and what you're doing, moving your arms out from side to side, but bringing it back to the starting position. So what you want to do is you want to focus on keeping your body from shifting side to side too often. So you really want to stabilize your plank all the way through. You shuffling your arms. Recommend doing that for about 30 seconds to a minute. Work up to a minute because they're going to be challenging, I guarantee it. There you have it, some sample exercises of where you can use the loop band. You can use it with any different exercise that you're probably doing right now. I've only shown you 3, the plank, the squat, and the clamshell. You can do it with deadlifts, lunges, push-ups, any type of routine. Try it out. It's a very versatile piece of equipment. This little loop band is portable. You can bring it anywhere. So bring it to the gym, hotel, wherever. Try this one out. And I forgot to mention, if you're enjoying these videos and you still haven't subscribed yet, click on that subscribe button, hit the bell notification, and you'll always know when I upload my next video. And speaking of next video, stay tuned because I'm going to be using another piece of equipment that was shown in my best beginner home workout equipment. And if you have any questions about this loop band or any other type of equipment, put it in the comments below. I'll answer them, and you never know, you could see it in my next video. See you soon.